Entry-level cars often offer only entry-level features, but the Hyundai Accent brings many upscale, desirable items down into the subcompact segment, albeit as optional extras. A 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is available, for example, as is automated emergency braking. The Accent also comes wrapped in a grown-up exterior that won't embarrass owners when it's parked in the company lot next to larger, more expensive vehicles, at least the Accent in limited spec. Those with less to spend can still get a good bang for their buck with the base SE or the mid-range SEL, so there's something for every entry-level budget. Other rivals rely on bold styling or ultra-practical packaging to attract buyers, but for those seeking an unassuming but capable adult-themed small car, the Accent will deliver. High zone-rung-up appearance, flingable driving dynamics, nonsense interior, Lowe's buzzy engine, tight rear seat legroom, sedan-only lineup. Verdict: where others rely on gimmicks, the Accent sells on its maturity. What's new for 2018? From nose to tail and from road to roof, the Accent is all new for 2018. Hyundai's last generation subcompact was offered as both a sedan and a hatchback, but starting with the 2018 model year, the Accent will be offered only as a sedan. Trims and options we'd choose. It's hard to recommend anything but the base SE trim with the manual transmission. After all, we are the save the manuals people, and we love its cheap and cheerful demeanor. For $15,880, you get Bluetooth phone connectivity, a 5.0-inch touchscreen infotainment display, power windows, locks, and mirrors. We'd add just one option if we could: aluminium wheels. Unfortunately, Hyundai doesn't offer them on the base SE, which comes with 15-inch steel wheels covered by flames-looking plastic hubcaps. A shame, since the Accent's exterior styling appears quite handsome otherwise. For the vain among us, aftermarket wheels of this size wouldn't be all that pricey. Or, for $2,300 more, the mid-range SEL trim offers 15-inch aluminium wheels but comes only with the 6-speed automatic transmission. When strapped to the standard 6-speed manual, the Accent's small 4-cylinder engine delivered best in test acceleration. The optional automatic's performance is less impressive. The Accent's 1.6-litre inline-4 engine makes 130 horsepower and drives the front wheels through either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. Of the two, we've found the 6-speed manual offers the most driving enjoyment with its crisp shifts and balanced clutch action. It also proved to be snappy on our test track, laying down a 7.5-second 0 to 60 mph time. The automatic transmission saps power. Our limited test car felt more lethargic and was measurably less zippy than the same manual. No matter the transmission, the 1.6-litre 4 is eager to rev but grinds away with an unrefined sound that's downright noisy at moderate to high engine speeds. While cruising on the highway, the engine settles down dramatically. Small cars are expected to deliver miserly fuel economy numbers, and the Accent does just that, but not any better than its rivals. Our real-world fuel economy testing revealed an interesting anomaly, but both of our Accent test vehicles returned admirable results. Fuel economy ratings compared, Hyundai Accent, manual. Fuel economy ratings compared, Hyundai Accent, automatic. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. EPA estimates put the automatic ahead of the manual on the highway, but, curiously, our automatic-equipped limited test car underperformed its EPA highway estimate by 2 miles per gallon while the base SE beat its EPA number by 4 miles per gallon, giving it a 5 miles per gallon advantage versus the automatic model. So surprised were we that we actually ran the test again to make sure there wasn't an error in our calculations. There wasn't. Our results were identical both times. We don't expect sports car-like acceleration and handling from subcompact cars, and we didn't experience those attributes from any of the cars in this matchup. The Accent did deliver the quickest acceleration run, however, and its chassis proved livelier than expected. Acceleration. All Accents come with a 130 horsepower 1.6-litre inline-4 engine, but buyers have the choice of either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. We've tested both, and when equipped with the automatic, the Accent delivers adequate, but not exactly thrilling, acceleration. The manually shifted base say was the surprise of the test, hitting 60 miles per hour in a zippy 7.5 seconds and cutting 1.4 seconds off the automatic's 0 to 60 mph time. We're advocates for preserving manual transmissions, and the Accent is a great example of why. The actions of its manual transmission are fluid, and the driver benefits from a more engaging experience in addition to superior acceleration and better highway fuel economy. Test results. Acceleration, ride, handling, and steering. The Accent isn't marketed as a particularly sporty car, and it's clear that ride comfort takes a priority over deft handling. Still, the Accent feels lively, its small body is easily tossed into corners, and it's even rewarding when pushed. The steering is light and effortless but loads up slightly when turned to center. There's a fair bit of feedback from the road ahead, and the steering seems direct and accurate. Rough roads are smoothed out adequately by the suspension, but harsh impacts will generate vibrations through the cabin. Test results. Maximum cornering capability. Braking. The Accents that we tested top the braking performance charts in this matchup, and each provided appropriately firm brake pedal feel.